Right people, here we go. Harley acquisition part 1. We've got the van. It's time to drive a lot. Okay people, guess what? Traffic. I've done about 8 mile, 9 mile. Long way to go. Time for a cup of coffee, a wee break, now at Perth. That to go. Not long now, almost at Aviemore. We're almost where the Thunder in the Glens rally is, in August, the bank holiday weekend. It's you forget how bloody pretty Scotland is, to be honest. Right-o, not long left. Right ladies and gents, she's in the back going mental on the alarm. I'll need to pull in somewhere and figure out how to sort that out. Hardly bought, and all the excitement of playing with the man's lovely dogs that he had, some cracking dogs and a beautiful Great Dane puppy, I completely forgot to film any of this shit, so I'll stop in a wee bit and show you. Traffic. Look at this. Horrible. Want to go home and play with a new toy. Go away, Rain. She's a wee tad rainy. Glad I'm not riding home in this.